Now to the other breaking news at this hour in the Heartland. Oklahoma tornadoes touching down. At least one of those tornadoes has been deadly. Witnesses say one tornado a half-mile wide, and families have been warned to stay inside. Look at the pictures coming in at this hour. Just unbelievable. This is in Moore, Oklahoma. Cars flipped there on the highway. This evening, more than 67,000 power outages in Oklahoma alone. ABC Chief Meteorologist Ginger Z with the images coming in as we're on the air.
Oh, we got another one.
Skies across Oklahoma erupting. Power flashes in Moore again.
This house probably got the worst of it. We'll walk up and show you the garage blown in here. The windows are also blown in. The roof taken right off this house.
Tornado just west of Tulsa. Our affiliate KTUL directly in the path.
Look at all the power arcing, the flashes that are going on.
Severe storms raking the plains and Midwest tonight. Hail pelting thousands.
We've got a hailstorm going on right now,
including our affiliate KSPR's chief meteorologist Kevin Leidy in the thick of it in Missouri.
Some decent hail coming down here.
You warned of this while we were on the East Coast. Now we're on in the West, and we're seeing some of the damage. And you and I both traveled to Moore in years past. We're thinking about everyone tonight. Where's the path of this thing going?
Unfortunately, David, this is not over. We know that one person is dead, several injured just outside of Tulsa. And you see that angry line of severe storms. Paducah, Kentucky, back to just south of Oklahoma City, still seeing severe storms. And just west of Fayetteville, a tornado warning. People needing to take cover right now. It's this setup that's going to be with us through the overnight hours, and anyone in orange or yellow, south and east of the area already hit, knows that these storms are capable of doing damage, and they're killer. So someone has to be looking out for that if they're in that region. Another headline, though, out west is going to be that record heat potential, both Thursday and Friday, very hot for places like Los Angeles and Palm Springs.
All right, following these potential records and the tornadoes throughout the night, I'll see you in the morning on GMA.